Hey everyone, welcome to Code Master Lab. In today's video, we are going to dive into honeypots. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will help you to understand about honeypots and why it is used, how to enable the honeypot in CodeIgniter 4, and how to protect your forms from bots. Honeypot is a secure technique used to prevent spams and bots form submission. It works by adding an hidden input field that real users won't fill out. But if the field is filled, the request is blocked. This is a simple technique used in the coding. Let's go to our login page and let me change the environment to product. Here in login page, if you see, it's a simple form where we have added CSRF token. In our last video, we have enabled our CSRF token. So whenever you enter a data fields with CSRF token is entered and it gives a request to the backend, to our controller, right? That happens every time. Now to enable this honeypot, you need to go to your apps config, then you'll find filters. In that you'll find globals. In this you'll have honeypots commented, right? Before and after. Please uncomment them. That's it. This is the only thing which you need to do. And when you reload your login page, and then at this time when you fill the form and see the variables what is been requested, you will payload request. If you see, you will see an honeypot value is also sent. Now this honeypot value, if it is empty, then a return response can be expected from the controller. If not, there will be an. So here what we will do, we will see the hidden field value. The hidden field value is like a input box. Now you can customize this input box as well with the class values, class name. So you can copy your class names relevant to your project, whatever the project you have, and then you can add the class names so that your CSS is added to that input field. Now once you make a request with some values in honeypot, then you can see there will be an empty response sent or an unexpected response, and you will be getting it as an out Ajax. This means this request has been not accepted by the controller, which means either the bot has been submitted the form or something like that. So in this situation, you will not get any response from your controller. Now same login credentials I'll write, and I'll just remove the value of honeycomb, and then if you submit it, you will get a success response. You can see honeypot value is empty here. So that's how you can secure your application from your bots. This is a simple usage and how in this complete video. Hope you have learned how to protect the form bot filter in CodeIgniter 4. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you.